Isn't this nice? And isn't it ironic?
Yeah.
Don't you think? It's like, hey, it's a free ride. It's a good time. So you just didn't think, and you would have thought it's big room. I'm sneaking up on you, then you think everything's okay.
Ang galing!
And I'm a funny way of helping you out when you think everything's gone wrong and then you look up in your face.
Parang nagra-rap lang!
When you're already late.
Partida pa yan. Tumatawa-tawa pa.
A cigarette break. When all you need is a knife.
Yes!
Alright.
Okay! Galing tumayo.
Mag-share kayo, patapat ko sa inyo.
It's a free ride when you're already paid. It's a good time that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it could? That's a funny day. Okay.
Okay!
Excited.
Galing tumiming.
That's a funny, funny way. I'm helping you out.
Meron.
Helping you out. Thanks ka.
Lagay ko dyan.
Ewan yan.
Lagay ko na.
Kamusta pala?
Sorry ah.